Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Friday, the 22nd of March. Well, it looks like there's been an extended deal with on the Brexit situation, which may be bringing joy to the euro as well. Technically, it could be argued that we're bouncing here from the trend line that was sort of sitting there, so we've broken out, retesting, could be going up, and there could be reason for us to push back up there, I suppose. Technically, fundamentally it's flawed, but we'll see. We've got data coming out at 8:15, 8:30 this morning. We've got the French services and manufacturing data at 8:15, German data at 8:30, then the European figure as a whole at 9. It's those first two that really create the volatility generally, though. Thereafter, not a lot of news. Got CAD data. I shouldn't say that in that way, I'll get in trouble, but we've got CAD data at 12:30. That's CPI, inflation, and retail sales. So we could see a bit of volatility in the Canadian dollar later. Will I be trading it? Probably not. Anyway, looking at this euro dollar, it at the moment looks like it's having the bounce. Whether it'll be a lower high or whatever, we'll see. But on this time frame, it's already put lower highs in other time frames. It could well do it on this time frame too. Where's it sitting? Well, it's just broken through its daily pivot here. It's got a bit of 34 in terms of resistance. I think the news is key this morning. We'll see that in the next half an hour, or 45 minutes. So we'll have that out. But to where it goes, if it was to start breaking this trend line here, I've got a short position in from the news on Fed news. Following that news, I would look to be adding into that short position if it starts breaking these levels here today, if the news comes out bad. Alternatively, if it starts pushing up, well, where to today? Well, it's got the R1 above, daily R1. Maybe there'll be traders pushing for the absolute highs there. We'll see. So that's where we're sitting at the moment on the euro, and no, apart from that morning news, nothing else there to generate any interest today later on. So it's just the morning news for the euro. Okay, let's have a look at the pound. So pound yesterday recovered in the evening there following the agreement of a extension of time, but got to remember here, this extension of time will probably end up is that they're not changing the deal, so the deal has to be voted on, maybe with another bell and whistle on it or something. It has to be voted on. That's the agreement for the extension, so it has to be voted on next week. And then if it isn't passed, well, the UK's got to leave by the 12th of April. 12th of April, I've got that wrong probably, but well, maybe 12th of April. So there we are. Let me just check on that date there. 22nd of May. Oh yeah, if deal rejected, then need to leave. I was right, April the 12th. Okay, otherwise it can be extended beyond May the 22nd. Oh no, it can't be extended beyond May the 22nd. That's it. So there we go. So we'll see what happens from here. But for now, the pound, it's as I say, having a bit of a bounce. It's I don't know whether people would digest the fact that the people that really want to leave won't vote for May's deal anyway, and the Labour Party are too busy trying to score points from a political sense that they won't vote for it most likely, and it will fail, and it will be a no-deal Brexit by the looks of it. We'll see. Anyway, for now the pound's having a rally. Long live the rally is all I can say, but it is shaped up here. Potential if it breaks back through its daily pivot for a sell point back low. Okay, dollar yen. So dollar yen here, lower highs, lower lows, sort of confirmed on a daily basis really with what we saw a day or two ago. A bit of a solid bounce off that 50 EMA. Pointed out yesterday we could have further upside, but really it's well, lower highs, lower lows have it at the moment, unless this is effectively in the short time frames a bull flag, and whether that will do anything. In fact, it's a really spread out, horrible, ugly bit of price action. But at the moment it looks like lower highs, lower lows. As I said yesterday, it becomes a bit of a risk currency, and for sure leading into the news there. Money was being pumped in to the yen there, but it carried on gaining some later. For now, well, let's say still erring. I mean, fundamentally it's bearish. We should see further upside here, but for now it's benefiting from the uncertainty out in those markets. Aussie dollar. Well, didn't hold on to its gains yesterday, pushed on through there and reversed. It's still fundamentally, technically in a lower highs, lower low situation, but if it could push up higher, it could have a chance for that. Sorry, I'll move too quickly here. Could have a chance to move up towards that daily 200. At the moment, it all looks quite good. It's almost got a head and shoulders pattern sort of starting to kick in here, so a break of the lows would be interesting. Momentum's dropped out the upward action here, or any action. It's just consolidating as I sit and look at this. So daily pivot just above that may be draw for it in the short term, although it's got prior highs just before that which may stall it, but we'll see. If it pushes up strong enough, it may push on through and run back up towards the daily R1, but I don't have a lot of faith in the Aussie dollar, but with this joyous market, you never know. So looking at Canadian dollar, well, chop is the answer really there. It's whilst everyone else was, well, I don't know, most currencies were losing against the US dollar yesterday, and it never really gained much yesterday, but horrible picture really. This week it's up and down. It may be turning the corner here and pushing back up or for more upside. It does look soft, and bigger picture is still bullish, so we may just see a continuation for now, at some point back towards those prior highs. Right, that's pretty much it. News wise today I've already covered, so it's just the news on the Eurozone news for the French, German particular data looking out 8:15, 8:30 this morning, 9 o'clock the final figure, and then 12:30 we've got the Canadian data. Have a great day, great weekend. I'll be back Monday. Bye for now.